In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Mailchimp to kickstart your email marketing campaigns. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or simply someone looking to reach out to your audience effectively, understanding how to use Mailchimp can be a game changer. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to Mailchimp. It's accessible via any modern web browser, so log into your Mailchimp account, or if you haven't created an account yet, go ahead and sign up. It's a straightforward process, and once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is your command center for all things email marketing. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the navigation pane. You'll see various options like audience, campaigns, automations, and more. But right now, our focus is on campaigns, so go ahead and click on campaigns. This is where all your email campaign magic happens. Here you have a list of all your previous campaigns, each with various stats showing their performance. But today we're starting fresh, so let's move forward and create a new one. You'll notice a prominent Create button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that Create button. This action will bring up a drop-down menu with several options such as email, ad, landing page, and more. Our focus today is on the email campaigns, so select Email. Now you're in the setup stage for your new email campaign. Mailchimp does a great job of guiding you through each part of this process. First, you'll name your campaign. Choose something descriptive yet concise so that you'll easily recognize it later. Next, you'll select your audience. If you've already set up your email list, this part is easy. Otherwise, Mailchimp allows you to import or manually add recipients. Following the audience selection, you'll design your email. This is where creativity comes in. Mailchimp offers you several templates to choose from, or you can start from scratch using their drag and drop builder. Remember to keep your brand's voice and style in mind. Add images, adjust text, and play with colors until everything looks just right. Once you're happy with your design, you'll proceed to the settings stage where you'll fill in details like your email subject line. Make it catchy, as it's the first thing your recipients will see, your from name and your email address. Carefully review all the options, such as tracking and social share buttons, and adjust them according to your preferences. Finally, before sending, make sure to preview your campaign to see how it looks on different devices. Mailchimp allows you to send a test email to yourself or colleagues too, ensuring everything is perfect before hitting the send button. And there you have it. Your email campaign is ready to go live. Hit send or schedule it for later and watch your message reach and engage with your audience. That's it for this guide. With these simple steps, you are now geared up to create effective email campaigns using Mailchimp. Thanks for tuning in and happy emailing.